Well, hi everyone, welcome to Kawasaki Restos with Krasa. Well, the Z1R, it's finished. I have finished the bike. It's been freshened up and serviced, the shims have been done, new oil, carbies have been balanced. I've recoated the shockers, the front shockers, and it's finally done. So I'm just going to do a quick go over of the bike. Unfortunately, the bike's already been sold. Somebody has bought it before I finished the bike. So if you are hoping to get it, well, yeah, it has been sold. So a guy in Melbourne has bought it. So yeah, it's staying local, which is good. So yeah, here's the bike. So that's it in its finished state. She's come up really nice. I know this guy's going to be really happy with this bike. He has bought another bike off me before and he just really liked this thing. I mean, these are a rare bike. They only made 3,300 of them worldwide, or 3,320 I think it was. So they're a pretty sought after bike. So yeah, I bought this many years ago, and you know what I've done, I've had to pull the master cylinder apart on the front because it wasn't flowing oil, or fluid. So that's all done. It's got new rear tyre. It's got stainless steel aftermarket stain tune exhausts, which that company doesn't exist anymore, so they're never going to rust out. They're replicas. It's got a brand new tyre. It's still got the old helmet hook on it, which is hard to find. Everything's on it. It's got this little chrome cover for the key. I've reupholstered the seat. The paintwork's still pretty good. It hasn't been done up. It is original paint. I mean, this is a survivor bike. I have looked after it. Every time it needed something new, I bought new old stock. So other than the tyres, everything on this bike is new old stock or is the original part that it came from. You probably remember the front forks were black. The guy ordered them black when he bought it from Kawasaki, the guy I bought it off. I'm like the second owner of this bike. So yeah, he just wanted them black. I think they look better in black, but I wanted the bike to be standard. What else can I tell you? I mean, it's only done 47,000 Ks. It's not a resto, it's just been detailed, and you know, it was always intentionally to be sold. Well, the intention was to keep it as a survivor bike, and that's what it is. So you can see it's only done 47,000 Ks. The dash is all good. Yeah, like I said, the seat's been reupholstered. So I thought I'd just wrap it up and show everybody what the bike turned out like in the end. So yeah, it's probably, you know, there wouldn't be too many in this condition around the world. So yeah, he's a lucky guy, and you know, he's paid a good dollar for it, and I'm happy that he's bought it. So I'll give it a fire up. You'll have to excuse me while I pull the clutch lever in. Oh, it's a bit awkward. That was a bit awkward, but anyway, she's fired. I have had it running, so she's nice and warm. She runs really good. I've rebuilt the carburetors as well, fully stripped and rebuilt. So yeah, she's a good bike. So I think he's going to be real. It's a really good bike. I think he's going to be real happy with it. And just to show you how original it is, I'll take this seat off, and people know how these are. You know, it's got all the airbox and whatever. It's got the you know, the Kickstarter that they come with on it. It's got the book, the service book. I do have the toolkit. I haven't put that on actually, so I'll have to put the toolkit on for him. So yeah, it's a survivor bike. So yeah, like I was saying, it's a survivor bike, and she's ready to go to the new owner. So anyway, thanks for watching, and God bless. Bye.